Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to put this in pairing mode, how to factory reset, and how to connect to two devices, okay? And we're talking about this model here, okay? That has up to 22 hours of playtime. I'm not talking about this one here or this one here, right? These are like a little tiny bit different. So first, let's put this in the pairing mode and we'll connect to my iPhone and then we'll connect to my Android phone. So let's connect to the iPhone first, okay? So the earbuds are in here. Let's open these up. Now, once you open these up, you'll know that it's automatically in pairing mode when the lights here on the side are rapidly blinking white, okay? Okay, there's white, 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 white. So it's in pairing mode. So now, right away, we can just go to our iPhone, for example, and I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings here. Go to Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and I see the spinning thing right there is searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it found the On earbuds right there. So I'll tap on here, give it one moment. Okay, so now we're connected. Now we're connected to my iPhone. So we're connected to my iPhone now. Let me close this now, and we're still paired to this iPhone. Now let me grab my Android phone here, and let's go ahead and connect it to this phone now. Okay, so the earbuds are back in here, the lid is closed. Now when I open it, I need to get it back into pairing mode, okay? Where I see a white blinking light, white, 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 kind of rapidly on both sides here. And you know what? It's not shown here. The reason is because it's already paired to my iPhone. So in order for me to put this in a pairing mode, what I can do right now is I can go to my iPhone, go to my Bluetooth settings, and I can disconnect, or I could forget the device, or basically deleting it from the paired Bluetooth devices. Delete this, and as soon as I delete that, automatically these will start blinking rapidly in white, indicating that it is in pairing mode, okay? Now another way that we can put this in pairing mode, let's go ahead and leave this paired on the iPhone, okay? But let's just connect to the second device, my Android phone here, okay? So let's put this in a pairing mode. So I'll close the lid here. All right, wait till the lights turn off. Now, when I open it, I'm gonna press and hold this button here on the bottom. I'm gonna press and hold until I get that rapid white blinking light, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up right now. And then that button here, press and hold. Ready, set, go. Press and hold, and I just keep holding. Just wait till it starts blinking fast. Oh, there it is, let go quickly. Now it's blinking fast, and it's blinking here. Now it's in pairing mode, so now I can go directly to my Android phone here. I think this is a Samsung Galaxy S25. Go to my Bluetooth settings. I will go to settings and then go to Bluetooth. Of course, make sure Bluetooth is turned on, and you can see that little spinny thing up there on my Android phone, and it's searching for devices that's in pairing mode that is near me, and it found the On earbuds right there. I will tap right there. You get a pairing request with Android phones, and voila, it says connected right there, okay? So now we just paired to both of these phones here, okay? Now, why don't we go ahead and do a factory reset? Let's say we have issues like connecting back to the phone, or you got issues connecting back to your TV. Maybe one of the earbuds is not working correctly, or maybe you get static noise or keeps disconnecting. Anyway, we'll do a factory reset. It's very simple. So with the factory reset, we're gonna turn the bottom here and we're gonna look at that button again, okay? See that button right there? Now, this time to factory reset it, what we're gonna do is we're gonna open the lid up, and then we're gonna press and hold that button, and we're gonna keep holding until we see like a red or amber blinking light, okay? So we'll do it together. Let's open this up. There's that button on the bottom here. Ready, set, press and hold now, okay? I'm holding, just keep holding now. Keep holding. It's in pairing mode, it's blinking away, but I'm still holding, keep holding. Okay, red. And it's red on there as well. Red, red, red. Okay, now wait a little bit. Once the factory reset is done, it's automatically going to go back into pairing mode, which is that white blinking light that's blinking fast, as you can see, okay? So we just factory reset these, okay? And they're back into pairing mode. Now here's the thing. If we wanted to connect back to the device that we were paired to before, but remember I was paired to the Android phone, so if I wanted to pair it back to here to connect it, I have to go back to settings, go to Bluetooth. I'll click on connections and go to Bluetooth up here. And then remember it was paired. You see that On earbuds right there? So in order to pair it back, we have to click the settings right there. and then you have to go ahead and unpair it. If you're on an Android phone, it's forget device, okay? So unpair it, unpair, and now it should show, it's still in the pairing mode. Let me rescan again, and now it'll show back up. There it is right there, the on earbuds. Now we can connect back to this Android phone. Anyway, there you guys go. Any questions or issues, just comment below.